Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM News TV. It's Tuesday, October the 8th today. I've done my morning homework. I've gone through a bunch of press releases, and the goal is to find a bunch of good releases that sort of stand out to me, and then I discuss why they stand out to me with the goal of trying to find good companies for you to do your homework on, and ultimately find companies that can be big investment winners. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. On today's show, I've got 9 press releases. We're trying to keep this show right around 10 minutes, so I'm going to get started right away. The first company that I wanted to talk about today is Capstone Mining Corp. Capstone Mining Corp gave an update that they've met all the conditions to the completion of their previously announced acquisition of the Pinto Valley copper mining operations and the associated San Manuel, Arizona Railroad Company. Capstone and BHP will now proceed to close the transaction with a target date of October 11th, 2013. Capstone's a company that I've followed for a long time. They're a copper producer with a great pipeline to keep their future production going, and also they're on the acquisition front. This is a good company to take a look at. CS is their symbol on the Toronto Exchange. The next company I wanted to talk about today is Trevali Mining Corp. They had underground drilling results from their Santander zinc lead silver mine in Peru. And they've also intersected multiple zones of high-grade polymetallic mineralization that remain open for expansion. Some of the holes, they had one with 35.93 meters of 91.2 grams per ton silver, 4.56% lead, 4.99% zinc. Another hole had 46.7 meters of 100.9 grams per ton silver, 4.54% lead, 5.20% zinc. These are good results. The company does have a $200 million market cap, so I need to do more research on all their various portfolio of projects, but definitely good results out of this Santander project in Peru. Stock symbol on that one is TVI on Toronto. Next company is Constantine Metal Resources. They had announced that they've intersected 24.7 meters of 2% copper and 8.5% zinc in step-out drilling at their Palmer VMS project. This Palmer VMS project is in Alaska. These latest results are final assay results for their recently completed 10-hole drill program. This is part of a $3 million budget for 2013, which is funded by their partner Dowa Metals and Mining Corp of Company of Japan. They're expanding their South Wall and RW zones that they have a National Instrument 43101 compliant resource that has 4.75 million tons in the inferred category, rate grading 1.84% copper, 4.57% zinc, 0.28 grams per ton gold, and 29 grams per ton silver. So good-looking project, good-looking real recent results. I've followed this company for a good long time. They've got a real strong technical team. Their stock symbol is CEM, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. The next company is Purepoint Uranium. Purepoint Uranium announced the Hook Lake Winter Program. They've provided details about their winter exploration program at Hook Lake project in the Saskatchewan-Athabasca Basin. This project is a joint venture with Areva and Cameco, so they've got some major mining companies there as partners. It's located immediately north of the Patterson Lake area where there's been high grade Oh, excuse me for the interruption there. It's to the north of the Patterson Lake, high-grade mineralization discovered by Fission Uranium and Alpha Minerals. They're a little bit ahead of the game, I think. They've got a pretty early announcement about drilling that's not going to happen until early 2014. But I did want to pay attention to this due to its close proximity to Patterson Lake, and that they have a joint venture with a couple of major mining companies. Their stock symbol is PTU, and that trades on the Venture Exchange. The next company is GTA Resources and Mining Inc. They had drill results out of 1.54 grams per ton gold and 114 grams per ton silver over 21 meters from their Yukon project. They recently completed 4 holes at their exploit zone on the Squid East project in the Yukon. Again, they reiterated in this press release the high grade or the very good grades over 21 meters. Interesting intersection, interesting grades. Going to do a little more homework. The stock symbol on that is GTA, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. The next company is Niogold Mining. They released results from 21 drill holes completed on their 100% owned Marban block property located in the Abitibi gold mining district of Quebec. So they're in a good area. They have done resource calculations on this. They've got an indicated resource of 1.53 million ounces of gold at an average grading 1.48 grams per ton gold. They've got another 600,000 ounces of gold in the inferred category, and then they're hitting some very good results here. 9.12 grams per ton gold over 1.9 meters, a 1.72 grams per ton gold over 22.9 meters. A bunch of more holes there to take a look at in the press release. They've got a $10 million market cap, which is very reasonable. And I like some of the things that I'm seeing in their chart. This is one that I will be talking about on the Friday Best of the Best and Weekly News show. Brigus Gold Corp is the next company. They reported their Q3 production results from their Black Fox mine. So far, they had record quarterly production of 27,174 ounces of gold with 76,799 ounces of gold on their year-to-date number. They have an average grade of 4.34 grams per ton gold, throughput of 2,256 tons per day. Milled average gold price they received this quarter was $1,330. They've got an interesting results. They're a producer. They've got an interesting stock trend, and I like what I'm seeing with this company. BRD.T are on the Toronto Exchange is their symbol. This is another one that I'm looking at for the Friday Best of the Best and Weekly News show. Fission Uranium has a project that they're in joint venture with Azincourt Uranium. They recently did a very large airborne geophysical survey at their Patterson Lake North property in the Athabasca Basin, and they found a large conductive trend, a north-south trending package of conductive basement rocks in the northern portion of their property. I'll be looking for more details on when they're going to start doing some drilling on this project. It looks like they're doing some follow-up geophysical work and some geochemical type work. They're doing radon sampling of their water and lake bottom sediments. That's how they found the Patterson Lake North project that we've talked a lot about on past shows. FCU on the Venture Exchange is Fission's symbol. And the final news release today is from Klondex Mines. They had infill drilling, which extends the continuity of their vein structures They intercepted 286.8 grams per ton gold over 2 meters in the north. This is results from the 20 drill holes in their underground infill drilling program at the Fire Creek Gold Project located in Ladner County, Nevada. 61 grams per ton gold over zero point 0.9 meters on one hole, 211 grams per ton gold over zero point 0.2 meters, 43 grams per ton gold over 1.1 meters, 23.2 grams per ton gold over 1.5 meters. Really interesting results. High grade, super high grade. And this is a good one to do your homework on. I recently picked this company on our Best of the Best and Weekly News show, and KDX on the Toronto Exchange is their stock symbol. So that's a wrap on the news for today. As always, do your homework and speak with your financial advisors before making any investment decisions. I'm again, this is AGORACOM News TV. I'm Alan Barry Labucan, the chief market commentator for AGORACOM. You have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.